open it with our Hobby knife. Let's go. Let's unbox this. Let's go. Okay, so we have here now your different parts, and it's all in plastic, you know that. So we doesn't have any rippers and launchers here because it's a booster pack. And we have here the paper here, which I don't know if I will use that. Okay, so let's open. Let's have first its bit. Yeah, start at the bottom, which is the disc ball. And the disc ball is nice. Okay, it has some grips right here, and it makes more balance because of the disc. But also, same with the wizard rod, which is still a metal right now. This disc can also have a contact with the other blade, so it can also cause some of the bursting. Okay, but it controls the balance also. It's very nice. And yeah, every part has its perks and also its negative effects. And then we have here your 060, which I first noticed on the ghost. Am I right? The ghost circle, but I don't have that kit. And whoa, what the man? This is very light. Yeah, I can. This is very light. This ratchet is very light. I don't know why, but it's very light. I can really feel it. Very light. Okay, now let's go with your blade. Ooh, this is your blade, man. See that? I see that. It's very nice. The wolf hand. It's the lock chip, and then this is your rotating part, which is your auxiliary blade.